guys, today we'll be destroying the very broken Christmas Mason washing machine, which I actually picked it up. Although this is another Grundig dry because I didn't find the other one. I can't find, and it's saying it can't be found. That's what the finders keep doing. Oops. Okay, so we're gonna throw in this Grundig dryer into this machine. Still, Mason is gonna get. Let's see if it works now. Turn it on. And then there we go. Oh my God. Jesus. That was quick. The first time I think I might have to. It was quick, that first one. This may go again. Oh! Easy machine that. That's an easy washing machine to destroy. Is that it? Let's see, that's one more. Okay, one more attempt. Nope. I think that's gone now. Lost the controls. Whoa, literally. Okay, I think that's gone now. Completely destroyed. Say nice to try something different than using a constant same thing every time to destroy a washing machine. Oh my God, I think I'm gonna. So yeah, I expected I found another new Grundig dry tool from an R2K17. Can be at 770. But it destroyed. But it just destroyed. And it broke. It's just smashed. Alright guys, I'm gonna see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.